Pepsi Cola. Pepsi Cola is the owner belongs to the owners. Pepsi Cola is a brand and also it is a soft drink and it says more offers and about less money and it is the first company of the Pepsi Cola. And Pepsi Cola is a carbonate manufactured by the Pepsi Cola and I have a Pepsi and also it always eats the Pepsi Cola.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Shabla Smali from BCom Computers 3C. Today my topic is innovative interior design. Interior designing is a profession that has many layers that requires the application of creativity and technical in order to beautify the interior designing environment. Here are some services of interior designing such as designing, construction, renovation, reconstruction and redesigning. Interior designers are those people who make the people home or the workspace more beautiful. Not only beautiful, but they also do more functional. They do this by adding, selecting and combining the colors, fabric, furnitures, lighting, etc. They not only use they also use the recycled materials such as cardboards, bangles or any other things, etc. Interior designers also do their work from home through their website. Interior designers are those people who interact with their clients and express their ideas according to their wishes. And interior designers are those who makes the client home into dream home. And I conclude that interior designing plays a very important role in today's life, as it by making it more.
This is my Ramya Joshi. I'm from BCom General. My poster is chocolate homemade organic made. It is full of organic prepare that is pure and natural. It will help in health and skin, hair, etc. And this is helpful always children and adults also. So many people are eating chocolates and they are liking so much. In any event, they are sharing chocolates also. In this ingredient, we are in homemade organic product. In the ingredients, they are chocolate, cocoa chocolate, and cream, milk, eggs, and salt, sweet, sugars, and etc. This will help in the skin. Reduce the pigments and glowing skin, and reduce the oil skin, which is very useful. Our skin glowing in whenever we go to the outside, and the skin will glow very very shine. In the hair, they will help, the chocolate will help the in the hair, improving hair growth and reduce the stress, and it will reduce the click, etc. And the overall health is it will reduce the heart diseases, which is cholesterol.
Start. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Simran, and my project poster presentation is on successful entrepreneurs. Firstly, we need to know what is a successful entrepreneur. A person who can deal the company and who can run the company with all the good systems, management, etc. Even it might be in crucial times. So to become a successful entrepreneur, we need 3 P's. Those are confidence, courage and support. Confidence is nothing but he needs to believe himself, his ideas, his decisions. Courage. When he have the proper courage, when he takes the correct decisions, automatically he will feel courageful and he will able to manage the management department or any department which is useful to the entrepreneurship or the company. Next, coming to support. He cannot run the company by himself. So he needs the support of his colleagues, his board of directors, even his staff, clerks, anyone. So to get his support, he needs to have proper communication without any misunderstandings and a good nature in his company or in his atmosphere. First of all, before everyone thinks that we need to become a brand, etc., like we need to make a brand, we need to popularize our brand, we need to make some good achievements. But before that, before creating your company as an idol, become an idol to yourself. Firstly, to create a brand, become a brand. If you become a brand or an idol to yourself, then people acknowledge you and they will support you. And one more thing is that many people say.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Rajeshwari. I am class of BCom General. Today's my topic is facts on snacks. I want to hear a guide to prepare a healthy way snacks. I want to tell few examples items about snacks. We eat carrot daily, 3 carrots we eat daily. We can work out so much. We eat 2 bananas. We can walk 3 miles of road, and we eat apple at morning. We wake up and apple is a healthy food. Then coffee. We eat cucumber. We eat cucumber before we going to bed. It is a free headache. It is a relief and headache. And we drink at morning milk and badam. It is gives us energy. Thank you, ma'am. It's my.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Divyashi. I am from BCom General 2. Today's my topic is creative light bulb idea concept background. In this creative light bulb idea concept background have growth, ideas, target, team, practice, creativity. Creative light bulb growth, we get ideas, target, team, quality, practice. An essential aspect of creativity is light bulb idea concept. It is not being afforded to fail. It's the growth, ideas have quality on the team, practice, creative light bulb. Accept of a creativity is being not afraid to fail. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vaishnavi. I am from BCom Computers final year. My topic is establishing organic makeup. So I am going to say about organic things like we use organic oils like avocado and jojoba. And the organic ingredients are herbs, roots and flowers, and essential oils are included in these materials, in these products. So I am going to tell about kajal and eyeliner. This is made up of mustard oil along with diya, and we'll be getting this product. So this is like, it is no harm to health. As I mentioned in everything, there is no harm to health. It is less damage to products which is coming from a natural. In ancient times, they used to prepare perfumes and cosmetics through these herbs like Ayurvedic essential kits. So this will be less harm, and this includes various materials like in foundation and blush we uses the pink strawberries, or we uses the rose petals to make it more organic and less harmful to health, because some will be having a sensitive skin, so it is easy and there will be no effect on the skin. There will be lower risk by using this organic makeups. So it will be like used by dry materials of drying the strawberries, carrots. It is used in the lipstick as well, so it makes the lips moisture, because in foundation we use the essential oils and moisturizer including with sunscreen protection. So there will be no use of another cosmetics like we use moisturizer. So in this we can only foundation, there is a 3 types. We can
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I am from BCom Computers second year, and recently I have made a poster based on innovative ideas on business theme. So this is my poster. I have took a product like headphones. Nowadays, the present generation, everyone is loving to listen music. Like when they are stressed, they love to listen music. When they are happy, they listen music. There are so many alternative ideas to ways to listen the music. The best alternative idea is headphones. I have taken a product headphones without wireless. It is connected through Bluetooth, and plus it works. If we charge it for 5 minutes, it works more than 16 hours. And it is very comfortable to wear. It runs very quickly. It won't stop, and it is this durability is more. So this is my product I have taken. Music makes me high. It feels very good to listen music, and I have taken a product headphones. It is very comfortable, and this is my icon. This is my icon, brand icon. Like it is a cupcake where headphones are connected. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Satya Sonali from BCom Computers 3C. Today my topic is innovative interior design. Innovative interior designing is a profession that has many layers, that requires the application of creativity and technique in order to beautify and attract the interior environment. The interior designers makes the people home space or workspace in more beautiful but also more functional. They do this by binding and combining the furnitures, etc. They also use recycled materials such as panels, cardboards, anything plastic materials to make the home space more attractive. The interior designers are the one who makes the impossible things into possible. And interior designing is a business where the interior designers interact with the client to express their ideas according to the client wish. They also work from home. They can also do work from home through their website, and they are available online by 24/7. Interior designers are those who makes the client wish comes true. They make the client dream house to comes true. Here are some services and why we should choose, because interior designing services are designing, construction, renovation, pre-construction and redesigning. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Srinita from BCom General 2A. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పబోయేది ఏంటంటే this is the palm tree అంటే ఈత చెట్టు తెలుగులో. ఇది ఏంటంటే ఈత చెట్టుకి మనం ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు తాడు పట్టుకొని ఎక్కుతున్నారు కదా, దానికంటే బెటర్ మనం వీల్స్ మీద ఎక్కొచ్చి కూర్చోవచ్చు. దాన్ని బట్టి మనం కింద నుంచి పైకి వెళ్ళొచ్చు, వాళ్ళకి కూడా కొంచెం ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎట్లా అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం నిలబడి వీల్స్తో చేయొచ్చు, కూర్చొనైనా అవి పెట్టి కూర్చొనైనా పైకి వెళ్ళొచ్చు, వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అమ్మితే వాళ్ళకి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది, మనకి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళకి ఈజీ ఉంటే మనకి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఏంటంటే అగ్రికల్చర్ది. ఇప్పుడు మనం పొలాల్లో కూడా ఏమన్నా వాళ్ళు వెళ్తూ ఉంటే నడుచుకుంటే ఎందుకు కదా దాన్ని ఒక ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తే వీల్స్ అన్ని పొలంలో అవన్నీ తీయొచ్చు అనమాట. అందుకనే ఇది మనం తీసుకున్నాం. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ తీస్తే వాళ్ళకి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది, మనకి ఇంకా చాలా బెనిఫిట్ ఉంటాయి, వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా చాలా బెనిఫిట్. దానివల్ల వాళ్ళు టైం వేస్ట్ కాదు, వాళ్ళు ఇంకా శ్రమ పడదు, ఏం పడదు. కాబట్టి ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ని అమ్మితే ఇంకా చాలా మంచిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం.